Hey there, tech wizards and digital dreamers. Welcome back to another tech-tastic episode of TechnoLaughs. We're diving into the wacky world of technology, where laughter meets innovation. Hold on to your circuits. It's going to be a wild ride. The smart fridge. It can order groceries, but can it find the missing ketchup? Let's see what happens when we ask it to locate our dignity. Mockingly, hey, fridge, where's my dignity? Dignity not found. Try searching in the deep regrets folder. Well, that's a bust. But hey, at least it's keeping our ketchup cold. Ever heard of overachievers? Well, this one's an overzealous overachiever. I just wanted it to clean the floor, not turn my living room into a racetrack. Oops, I guess I need to work on my vacuum's relax mode. Alexa, tell me a joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Host laughs uncontrollably. Oh, Alexa, you're on fire today. I think we've just found our new stand-up comedian. Conclusion. Well, that's a wrap for this episode of TechnoLaughs. Remember, tech can be funny, quirky, and downright absurd sometimes, but that's what makes it so entertaining. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech comedy adventures. Until next time, keep laughing and teching.